Today we're looking at my homemade brake press. It's 36 inches wide. I made my own top and bottom dies just on an angle. You can see I have a piece in there ready to go. So I have two hydraulic pneumatic jacks plumbed together to one switch. So it comes up fairly even. I've got pins so I can actually adjust the height of the top die. So we're gonna do a bend and see how it looks. The last one I did turned out really beautiful, so let's do it again. That looks pretty good. I think I'm happy. Let's give it a little more just for fun. And you can see I put a planishing hammer or planishing hammer on top. I got that super cheap yesterday, so I just bolted it on there. It's removable, but it's a good sturdy base to do that on, and that thing works pretty well too. Now I just have to learn how to use it.